Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Railfan here, and we got Amtrak Lakeshore 48 was phase 7 113, close to like 148. And then we do have another guy, and then we had another guy pull up here with the SD70 MAC, probably waiting for him in a freight and him to pass. That's why this other freight is stopped here. I just pulled up. And yep, there he is.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 280.0. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 4. End of transmission.
Here he goes with Here he goes with 108 led by phase 7 113.